Good morning, guys. Today, I'm gonna go fishing at Bass Pro Shop. I got a fish. I got. First, we need to come up with a plan. So we're gonna be in the most stressful environment. That way, when we go fishing at the Bass Pro Shop, we don't fold. All right. Guys, it's cold. It's super cold today. It's like actually freezing. God. I don't even know if you could go fishing in a Bass Pro Shop. Can you? Probably can't. Alright guys, so here's the game plan. We're gonna go to all the Chinese buffets with ponds in them, and then we're gonna act like we're fishing. And then we're just gonna work our way up from there, pond to pond to pond to pond. And then after we successfully go to each pond to pond to pond to pond, we're gonna go to Bass Pro Shop. And Bass Pro Shop is like the high level security. Alright guys, so it's not a fishing trip unless you go with your buddies. So I'm gonna call all my buddies first, see who wants to go fishing with me. Mama! I promise you with this video you're gonna be a millionaire, bro! Buddy. You wanna go fishing today? Where? Bass Pro Shop. Ah! He said yes, he said yes, he said yes! Yo, actually? Like for real? Give some. You want to go fishing today?
Not really, bro.
Oh.
Yeah, I do not want to go fishing. Bro.
Okay. We're not gonna go fishing at we're gonna go fishing at Bass Pro Shop.
What the fuck?
You down? Baba said yes. You down?
Yeah.
Alright, guys. We got our second buddy to go with us. Yo. Good morning, buddy. What are you doing, man?
Work, fam.
Fuck work. You want to go fishing? No. We're gonna go fishing at Bass Pro Shop, bro.
How you gonna do that?
Don't worry about it. Hey, we're gonna figure it out. We're figuring it out as we go. You down? Yo, you down to go fishing with us today, bro?
Yeah, I'm down.
Yo, Zach is down, guys. Zach is down. Yo, what's up, man? Yo, Bo. What's up, buddy? Oh, Josie, what's up, man?
That's crazy.
Alright, guys, so we came to Walmart to buy fishing rods. Yo, bro, y'all want to go fishing with us today? Oh, they don't want to go fishing with us. Yo, I found fishing rod for 10 bucks. Yo, do I like? Yo, what the fuck? You got it? Oh, you got it? I got a fish, guys! I got a fish! Yo, we're ready, guys. I look like a fucking fisherman, huh? Okay. See how my fishing skills are? I got a fish! Guys, I got a fish! Alright, let's go. Get out of here. Oh! I got you!
Get this, motherfucker! Oh!
Yo, we're gonna go catch some fish, guys. Oh yeah, you do. Alright guys, so we made it to Golden Walk. Apparently there's a 100% chance you can catch catfish. So we're gonna give it a shot. Yo, I got a fish! I got a fish! That's good, right? That's good. Yo, they're like looking at us. Alright guys, so far no luck yet, but we're gonna get a fish. We want to see if you're allowed to fish outside. Fish outside? Yeah. Oh, we can fish outside?
Oh, no, sorry.
I think she said we can. Oh no, we can't? We're in the beautiful city of San Antonio. We're gonna go fishing on the Riverwalk. Alright, let's go find some funky fish, guys. Oh. Guys, I just got a 50 footer, guys. Yo, we just got a fucking fish, guys. Now we gotta fit him in, guys. Guys, let's catch a fish, alright, guys?
This shit got me dead as fuck.
It's biting. It's biting. Help me out, bro.
Hold this.
Help me out, bro. Help me out, bro. Help me out, bro. Oh, we got the fish. We got the fish. I got a fish. I got a fish, guys. Yo, so we see cops coming down, so we need to get the fuck out of here, guys. Guys, I just caught the biggest fish. Caught the biggest fish today, guys. But guys, we're at Bass Pro Shop right now, and I'm fucking nervous. Alright guys, the fucking game plan is, look, so Bass Pro Shop is right here. We're right here, right? We're gonna have to go one at a time. Like literally, we're gonna have to walk in like one at a time. That way we don't look suspicious, alright? Hey, bring it in. Hey, Leo vlogs on 3, 1, 2, 3.
Leo vlogs.
Let's get it.
Someone jump in? Yeah, someone should jump in. If someone pays me $50 on the spot, I'll do it.
And now you're gonna get the whole audience today. Got a fish, guys. What the fuck? He didn't kick us out. Alright, let's keep fishing. Let's keep fishing, guys. Fuck, we didn't get kicked out. What the fuck? Alright guys, so we're not getting kicked out. So we're gonna kick it up a notch. We're actually gonna drop the line. Yo, we're actually gonna drop the fucking line.
Está destruyendo. No.
Oh, we're fighting. We're fighting. We're fighting. Oh. Hey, double drop, can't be doing it. Huh? You can't be doing it. Oh, we can't fish it? No. You can't fish it? No, you can't. Does this look like a fishing rod? Yeah?
I'm gonna have to watch
red light sign. Like I already know it is.
Yo, we fucking did it, guys. We fucking did it, guys. We went fishing at Bass Pro Shop. Yo, that's so fire. Oh my God, guys, we literally just got kicked out. Yo, guys, like and subscribe. If you like and subscribe to this video, we'll jump in the pond. Promise. So go like and subscribe and comment, please. All right, bye guys. Bye.